Hello to all my dear friends, how are you? Today I am at your service with a different and new video. I am sure he was surprised and happy. Let's go to the chart. As you can see, the price reverses in some areas like here. There are a lot of these movement patterns in the chart. The question that arises is that, what is the reason for these movements? How to know about the return of the price? Well, we have come to the point. If you add a 50 EMA to 4, the number of EMA should be above 20, like 50, 100, and pay attention to the chart and these movements. Understand that it is a magnetic state and attracts the price. If it takes too much from EMA, it will go back to EMA. So, the reason for these reverse movements and the reversal of the magnetic state of the line is that it attracts the price towards itself. So far we have understood the reason for these movements. The next question was, how can we know about the return of the price and the reverse? To understand these movements, we need an indicator, Bollinger Band. We add to the chart from the indicator section and go to check. We disable the background option from the style section and set the length to 100 in the entries section. The indicator is ready. This indicator consists of a lower line, a first line and a middle line, which is EMA. The upper and lower lines surround the price and show the price range. The middle line or EMA also shows the price of the previous candles. With the help of this indicator, we can understand where the price will reverse and return. When the price breaks the high or low of the indicator and exits from it, most likely, the price will reverse. Here, the price has broken the lower line of the indicator. So there is a possibility that the price will return and move up. The changes you see are the price being absorbed by the EMA and moving upwards. Our strategy is to position these price reversals. So, whenever the price breaks the Bollinger Band indicator, we give the possibility that the price will reverse. We need another indicator to increase this possibility and to be sure of the movement and return of the price. Indicator. MACD. We add 4 of the indicators and make changes from the section. From the Style section, disable all options except the histogram and exit. We use a concept called divergence. Divergence means that the price movement and the MACD indicator are opposite. That is, if the price goes down and builds a newer floor, the MACD indicator will go up and make a higher bottom. In this case, it will be the price that the movement of the indicator is superior. By summarizing all the contents, we arrive at this strategy. 1. We wait for the price to break the Bollinger Band indicator. 2. In that area, we look for divergence. For sure, the price will reverse and move towards the EMA. In this area, the price has broken the lower line of the Bollinger Band indicator, so there is a possibility that it will reverse and move towards the EMA. But to make sure of this issue and get confirmation, we use divergences by MACD indicator. The situation you see in this area. The price moved down and made a lower floor, but the MACD indicator moved up and made a higher floor. This is a clear divergence and proves that the price will move up. So we open the lever position and place the stop loss below the last price floor and place the TP a little lower than the EMA. As you can see, the position is closed with profit. This power is very strong and you can use both long-term and short-term in all time frames. By practicing this strategy and method and personalizing this, he improved a lot. I personally use this strategy in my work. In this area, the price of the Bollinger Band indicator has broken upwards, and it also makes the roof higher. But the MACD indicator has moved down and the ceiling has been made lower. Therefore, the price will move downwards, and we open a short position. I will definitely adjust stop loss and TIPI. Pay attention that our TIPI is slightly higher than the EMA line. The bank closes with profit easily. I hope the video caught your attention and you liked it. If you have any questions or suggestions, be sure to comment so that I can respond. Until the next video, God bless.